Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be solving all 6 of the Nerdle puzzles, so let's see how we get on. I'm going to start as always with 98 minus 75 equals 23, and turns out that wasn't a great choice. Doesn't give us too much information. What else can we do? So it's either going to be a 3-digit result or a 1-digit result, but there's no minus. So let's try 36 over 6 minus 1. Oh, that's not very useful either. Oh, there was no minus. That was foolish, but we've ruled out another position for the equals, which means it's going to be almost certainly something times something equals 100 and something, although I'm just going to first double check just in case. It's 53 plus, let's say, 51. Oh no, it can't be. So that would have to be 51 times 3 perhaps? Oh, 50 times 3. So close. Almost got it in 3, but 4 is obviously not too bad. Let's move on to the binurdles. And we'll start again with the same sum. Gives us a lot more information this time. So that first one might be something times something minus something equals 3. What would it have to be? 4 times 8 minus 29, but we haven't got the 2, so that's not going to work. And it can't be anything else of that ilk. I suppose it could be 9 times 9 minus 78, but we haven't got the 7, and the 9 would be in the wrong place. So I'm not liking either of those options. We could do 8 plus 9 minus 14. Oh, that's not bad. Not good, but it's not bad. Something. No, it can't. It's got to be something times something. But that isn't. So it's not going to be. It's not going to be 1 times something, because then we couldn't take away a 2-digit number and get to 3. Which means if it is a times in there, the 1 has to be there, because that's the only option remaining. I probably should look at the bottom one, but we haven't got a lot of information for that, although we've ruled out a few things which might be useful. So we can't be 81, because we can't multiply something by 9. In fact, it would have to be 91 if that's the case. Although, that's definitely not going to work either. Because we can't multiply something by 8 to get 94. So, it can't be something times something. Oh, it would have to be 101. 101 minus 98, that's got to be correct. Okay, so we've got a 0 and a 5 on the bottom one, which is making me think multiplication, so it could just be, it can't be 6 times 5 equals 20. So what do we think? So if it was something times something, it would have to be then minus. I mean, it could be 5 times 5 minus 5. No, it can't be, because that can't be a 5. So it could be 5 times... I mean, it can't be 5 times 6. What are the other options? It could be minus 0, of course. Equals 25, of course. Oh, it's not minus. Oh, we already knew it wasn't minus. It's 2 times 5 times 2. I think I should have got that one guess sooner. 5 isn't bad, but I think we could have done that quicker. Okay, let's move on to the instant. I didn't film yesterday's, but it was quite tough. Let's hope today's is a little bit easier. It's going to be something minus something times something. I'm thinking 21 minus 5 times 3 equals 6. There we go, back on form. I shouldn't have told you that I struggled with yesterday's because it's not on film. But yeah, 15 seconds, can't complain. Let's try the speed, that is usually anything but. Okay. Let's try 91 minus. Oh no, okay. Let's try 21 minus 3 times 7. Oh, surprisingly accurate. So it can't be 71 minus 3 times something because that won't give us a single digit result. So it's going to have to be 31 minus 3 times 8. 34 seconds. That's the quickest I've done this for a while, actually. I'm pleased with that. Okay, and then we'll finish with the 2 mini ones. What should we start with today? Let's just go back to the old tried and tested 12 over 4. Okay, it's given us lots of information, but not the right sum. So 3 times 4, it could be 4 times 3, couldn't it? Got a bit lucky there, but can't complain. Doing it in 2 is never bad. What should we try here? Let's try some addition. 8 plus 7, why not? Oh wow. That was almost an amazing start. 7 plus 5. We haven't got very much to go on the first one. Something divided by something? But we need to have the 1 in there somewhere. It's not going to be something divided by something. So it's going to, if it's I'm thinking a 2-digit number divided by a 1-digit number. So it would have to be, it can't be 31, 41, 61 or 91 because the first 3 are prime and the second one isn't a product of 2 single-digit numbers. But equally it can't be 13, 14, 16 or 19. Oh, it could be 16, couldn't it? 4 over 4. No, okay. And it's not minus, so that was incredibly useful. Useless, rather. So, what do we think? 13 minus 9 doesn't work. 10 minus 9 does work. It could be 10 minus 1. And it is 10 minus 1. So there we go, 5 guesses for that. Again, not the greatest, but could have been worse. I think maybe I was a little bit unlucky with some of those guesses. It didn't really rule anything out. But overall, fairly happy with that performance as a set of 6. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Bye for now.